Hi, I'm Becky Carmichael, and this is LSU Experimental, where we explore exciting research occurring at Louisiana State University and learn about the individuals posing the questions. In our podcast, we cover a range of topics, from proteins with superpowers to promiscuous plants and so much more.
Did you know that there are organisms that can live near the boiling point of water in hot springs or on the ocean floor? Or have you ever heard of organisms that live below the freezing point of pure water? They live inside veins in the ice floating on Arctic seas.
But obviously we're sitting here today breathing oxygen, there's calcium in our bones, iron in our blood. So the question you might be asking yourself is, where did everything else that's in this periodic table come from? And the answer is that all of those different elements, everything heavier than lithium, was synthesized as stars burn and explode.
Simultaneously, you and nature experience the same weather event. I can talk to you and get a personal account of the storm, but I can also talk to the tree and ask what it thought about the storm.
Promiscuity. It's not just an animal thing. Did you know that plants can be promiscuous too?
Not only do we learn about their research, but also their personal narrative and advice they have for others.
My biggest regret in science specifically, and I suppose you could extend this to life, is I wish I'd been more bold.
The mistake I made in education was not being serious enough about especially math classes.
The biggest thing for me was building a relationship with my professors. You can do well in a class and you can make straight A's, A+, whatever, but if you don't have a more personal relationship, they can't write you a good recommendation letter.
To dive into full episodes, head to cxc.lsu.edu/experimental.